Robican, and today, yeah, the holiday's finished. I know I'm in my John Cena t-shirt, it's one of my favourite t-shirts, but that's because I've only came home from school. Halloween's over. If you saw in my last vlog no 26, Happy Halloween, I was in my skeleton costume and Matt was in his zombie costume. It looked really badass because he had his arms painted. It was awesome. Like all down here, the palms of his hands wasn't painted, but all down here was painted green, and even his face. Oh my god, it was absolutely awesome. I also, if you saw the last video, I didn't actually need face paint because you couldn't barely see my face. Yeah, alright. So, yeah, I have some good news. I have some good news. I have some good news. I have some bad news. Good news is, no, bad news is, sad that Halloween's over. The good news is, it's another holiday. If you look in the description, it'll say 5th of November. It's bonfire night, guys. And I'll say in the title, Happy Bonfire Night. Yeah. Hey, here's a secret. No, I don't like the bonfire. So yeah. Well, wait. Alright. I've just learned I have a mic now, so yeah, I have a mic. It's awesome. So hopefully you can actually hear me better. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Good.